about is that is a frontal section of an ovary, right there, and inside it we have a number of ovarian follicles, from very, very immature to increasingly mature. All of these are ovarian follicles increasing in maturation. So the Graafian follicle, the mature follicle, is this one right here. You can tell that because it's got this huge fluid-filled antrum. That's one of the terms to know. Huge fluid-filled antrum. There's an oocyte. That's the potential egg cell. Hasn't been ovulated yet. It's still in the ovary. Right. Okay? So here is the Graafian follicle, mature follicle, actually undergoing ovulation, releasing the oocyte. So that's a haploid cell. The ovulated oocyte only has 23 chromosomes. So just as the sperm cell only has 23 chromosomes. So the merger of a haploid oocyte and haploid sperm cell results in a diploid cell called the zygote. Each one of us started out as a single-celled zygote. Anyway, so that's the haploid oocyte released from the Graafian or mature follicle. That'll be drawn into the fallopian tube, and you see some sperm cells in there. So there may or may not be fertilization. Now, here's the deal. All of these follicles, all of these ovarian follicles, release differing amounts of estrogen. So the ovarian follicles as a group are the primary source of estrogen. But when the Graafian follicle ruptures, when it ovulates, what's left of it, so it releases the oocyte, what's left of it turns into this thing right there. That's called the corpus luteum, Latin for yellow body. And that's the primary source of progesterone. So the ovarian follicles, primary source of estrogen. The corpus luteum is the primary source of progesterone. Okay? So that's the endocrine focus for this particular model. All right? That's everything I wanted to go over.